Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is especially for the beginners in Excel, where I am going to show you how to solve the problem of unable to remove cell fill color. Sometimes when you work in Excel, you may face this kind of situation where there is some data with fill color applied, and if you try to remove the fill color by selecting the data, go to this fill color tool and click on the no fill option, the color doesn't remove. If you want to change the color, like if you click on this and try to change this color to a different one, the color doesn't change. This kind of problem happens because this data is conditionally formatted. So to remove the highlights from here, you have to remove the conditional formatting rule. For that, first of all, select the data, then go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, Clear Rule, then click on this Clear Rule from selected cells. So this is how you can solve the problem of unable to remove cell fill color in Excel. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.